Hi team, Mrs. Stewart. So we're learning about the floss rule this week. And so when you see those two consonants at the end of a word, we just make the sound one time. So we're going to sort our words based on the floss, the consonants at the end of the word. So let's look at the first one. Ball. Ball has double L at the end. So we're going to write ball right here. Ball. And cross it off. The next one is jazz. Jazz has two Z's at the end. So we're going to write it right here. The next word, moss. What double consonant does it have? Yeah, it has the M-O and the S-S. So it goes there. So look at the next word, fuss. It also has double S's at the end. So we're going to write fuss. The next word is kiss. So it goes here. And boys and girls, sorry, I try to talk slow, but I know sometimes I talk fast. So if you need to pause your video, that's okay. So we put buff right there. The next word, bull. Bull goes down here. Same with the next word, ill. Ill is another word for sick. Hopefully none of you are feeling ill. Okay, so now we have cuff. Cuff goes there. And buzz. This would be like the sound a fly makes, not the name of the character because it's not a capital. Next we have fluff. Fluff goes here. Full of fluff. Like my dog has a lot of fluff. Huff. This is what we do when we get mad. We huff. Right? Well, that was more of a growl. A huff is like, huff. I'm mad. Hopefully nobody's mad right now. Huff. Fizz. F-I-Z-Z. Very good. We have three more. Less. Good. Next one is gill. Gill. The last word is fuzz. Fuzz is a lot like fluff. Very good. On the back side, you have your spelling words written next to a color. So you find that color and you write your spelling word next to it. So the first color is brown. I guess it's not next to it, it's under it. Quit is the first word. Quit. The next word is buzz, and it goes under pink. Pink is right here. Buzz. It might help to cross them off, then we know we've done them. Will goes under red. Will. Now, this would be like our friend Will, only it's not capital. So this is like, will you take out the trash? Not like, Will is a great kid. But if it was a capital, then we'd talk about Will. Okay. Gray is the word fix. So we have that X at the end, making the X sound. The next word is quick, and it goes under orange. Quick. Quick. The next word is, surprisingly, next. And it's under yellow. Next. The next word is by, and it is under the word blue. The next word is class, and it goes with green. Class. Then we have the word after, goes under black. After. And at the very end, we have small, which goes under purple. And you don't have to color the crayons, boys and girls. You can stop there unless you want to color the crayons and do what your teacher would have you do. Thank you.